Do you find it hard to stay on top of things given the constant flood of information? Our new tool, Myfronios, ensures that you see exactly the content that is of interest to you.
Our 3 business units, Perfect Welding, Solar Energy, and Perfect Charging, mean that we are active in a number of sectors. With Myfronios, there is now a tool available that makes it much easier to collaborate with our partners in these individual industries.
Information flow can be limited to relevant news with the aid of filter elements. You decide for which products you want to receive updates and information, ensuring that you are always up to speed.
We know that our customers and partners need a wide range of information depending on different situations. The new platform now serves as a quick and easy tool that can be used for any application, be it customer meetings, on-site repairs, or to find news about our products.
Myfronios is the digital point of entry to the complete Fronios universe, whether you're using a PC or mobile device.
Myfronios is another step on the path from equipment manufacturer to comprehensive solution provider. Not only do we supply our partners with our high-quality products, but we also want them to continue to offer exceptional service. To do this, we need a modern communications interface.
Work is made easier because relevant information is easy to find, and it's possible to download product-related documents.
We believe that the improved flow of information will benefit all our customers. We invite you to try Myfronios and look forward to continuing to help you overcome your challenges.
Information, the new way. Myfronios.